A vaccine on its own will not end the pandemic.
Over 1 million precious lives have been lost. Families in every country have lost loved ones to this pandemic.
There's a real chance that after an early round of vaccination, the effort will slow and stall.
As soon as April, the vaccine will be available to the entire general population, with the exception of places like New York State.
This vaccine offers a ray of hope for all those other vaccines if it really works.
So let's use our connectivity to fight back by ensuring the efficient distribution of vaccines.
Hello once again and welcome back to Zurfatek. In this video, I will answer some of the COVID-19 vaccine questions. Questions such as, does getting the COVID vaccine stop you from getting the virus? Can you transmit the virus after getting the vaccine? How many people have died after getting the vaccine? What if I don't take the second shot of the COVID vaccine? What is the recovery time for the coronavirus disease? Can the coronavirus spread through food? Do you have to wear a mask after getting the vaccine? How long are you immune after getting the vaccine? What are the most popular vaccines and what is the difference between them? I will answer all these questions in this video, so don't go anywhere.
I must give the British people a very simple instruction. You must stay at home. Because the critical thing we must do to stop the disease spreading between households. That is why people will only be allowed to leave their home for the following very limited purposes. Shopping for basic necessities as infrequently as possible. One form of exercise a day, for example, a run, walk, cycle, alone.
So let's jump into our first question. Does taking the COVID vaccine stop you from getting the virus? The vaccine doesn't prevent coronavirus infection. It helps protect against serious illness. Experts advise people who got vaccinated to continue washing their hands and keep their social distancing. Can you transmit the virus after getting the vaccine? Well, scientists haven't yet found evidence that the vaccine provides immunity. Someone who is vaccinated and have no symptoms of illness may be carrying the live virus and he could spread it through breathing, sneezing, or coughing. How many people have died from getting the vaccine? Well, none have been directly attributed to a COVID jab. What if you don't take the second dose? Well, some companies have reported 80% effectiveness after taking the first dose and about 94% after taking the second dose. If you don't take both doses, you will not be fully protected from becoming ill with the COVID-19. What is the recovery time for coronavirus disease? Statistics found that people with a mild illness will recover within 2 weeks, while people with critical or severe illness will recover within 3 to 6 weeks. Do you have to wear a mask after COVID vaccine? Well, even after getting the vaccine and your individual risk is much lower, you will have to keep having the mask on just to make sure that you are not spreading the virus anymore. How long are you immune after getting vaccinated? Your body should start developing immunity after the first 12 to 14 days of being vaccinated. But clinical trials and data show that your body won't hit the 90% to 95.6% protection until a week or more after getting the second shot of the vaccine. What are the most popular vaccines? Let's see all the differences and let's have a head-to-head comparison between them. So we have 5 very important aspects of each vaccine that we are going to compare in this video. The technology of the vaccine, the effectiveness, the cost, the immunity, and the storage. Let's take them one by one and compare them together. So when it comes to the technology of the vaccine, Pfizer and Moderna uses messenger RNA or mRNA. It's a new technology. Instead of injecting it into the body, it works on instructing the body to produce altered virus. This method was used during the SARS as well. It can be developed faster, and that's why Pfizer vaccine became one of the first vaccines to get approved. On the other hand, AstraZeneca uses viral vector. It's a traditional technology. An engineered virus is infused into the body. The effectiveness of Pfizer and Moderna is about 95%, while AstraZeneca effectiveness varies between 60 to 90%. This means that the difference between the vaccines is almost the same. Now, when it comes to the cost, Pfizer will cost about $20 per dose, Moderna about $33, while AstraZeneca is just about $4. That makes Pfizer and Moderna faster to produce, but way more expensive than AstraZeneca. Immunity. Pfizer and Moderna vaccines are effective after 14 days, while AstraZeneca will be effective after 22 days. Finally, when it comes to storage, Pfizer should be stored at minus 70 degrees Celsius and must be used within the first 5 days. Moderna should be stored at minus 20 degrees Celsius, while AstraZeneca could be stored at the regular fridge and could be used within the first 6 months. If you think that the information provided in this video was useful, please hit like and subscribe to my channel so I can create other videos like this one. I would like to ask you to leave a comment below showing if you are a pro or anti-vaccine.